guy's name was David Katz. He's 24 years old. See, that's interesting. Check this out. Where was it? Florida mass shooting, 89. 89 is the 24th prime. He's 24 years old. And then, here, let me type Baltimore in. Baltimore, Maryland. I don't see anything at the moment, but I did actually see 58. Yeah, there was 58. Check this out. So from today to the Super Bowl next season, which is on 2/3. Remember, Jaguars equals 23. 5 months and 8 days, 23 weeks. So, but as I said before, I don't think that the Jaguars will win because I feel like the narrative for Tom Brady is strong. That these are definitely some interesting numbers. And yet, the Super Bowl actually is going to be played on a date with 44 numerology and 108 numerology. Remember, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas her shooting is around 100, the number 108, and 24 as well, the age that the guy was. But yeah, let's put in the shooter's name. Sorry, I'm incredibly disorganized because all the stuff I had typed in here got deleted. So thank you for your understanding. And I had to make kind of a quick video because I have homework. Funny, David from Baltimore. Both David and Baltimore 95. Yeah, look at that. Cats 58 and 23. Like, come on. Like, isn't that obvious? Remember, here, let me show you again. 5 months and 8 days and 23 weeks until the Super Bowl. And was there anything there? There's a handgun. It's probably, and I mean they're probably gonna release the model of the gun. I don't know. There might be something to that. Handgun 33, obvious number used in propaganda. And then here, let's check. Let's go back to the Jaguars schedule, see if they play the Ravens. Yeah, day before, or yesterday, they the total points scored in that game was 23. I mean, what do you know? Alright, I don't see them, but you could potentially see the Jaguars playing Baltimore in the playoffs. I think that would be that could be a very likely scenario, connecting these two events or this together. Just with all the football thing, and just to show you that Jaguars equals 23, I believe it does, pretty sure. Yeah, 23. Yeah, don't take anybody's word for it. You can't just make up these numbers. You can't say like everything equals this number related to it, because no, like, not everything is going to work out. But when you have all these things work out, like with 47, all these words equal 47. Obviously, not every government number is going to equal 47, but when you have so many that equal this number, then it's, how do I put it, then, you think, like, is it a coincidence anymore? I mean, I don't think so. Anyways, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I know that I've been severely inactive. I've just had a ton of homework, but, I'd just like to thank you all just for sticking by my side, and following me, and for all the other people who go out, take time out of their day into code stuff, because the truth is valuable, and we need more truth speakers. We don't have enough people speaking the truth. We have a decent amount of people seeking the truth, obviously not enough there, but we need more people speaking the truth. That's why, you guys got to get blogs up. You guys got to start decoding this. You guys got to start spreading this information. Because if you just learn this by your own and you don't tell the people about these patterns, what you guys should do is, when you go to work, you should say, hey, don't you think it's interesting that this is, you tell them the information I told you guys about the 612 and the Pulse nightclub shooting and the Parkland shooting to now the shooting today, and say, hey, do you think that's a coincidence? And then maybe you introduce gematria to them, and you show them the words that equal 612. And then when this repeats in the future, like I told one of my friends about 612s, and when it repeats about the future, they're more likely to believe that you're not just some crazy. Like this just keeps repeating over and over and over again. And yeah, that's what you need to do. That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, obviously not everybody's going to be receptive to it, but you got to pick your battles. You got to, you got to pick people who you think will be receptive to this. But anyways, I wish you all a great rest of August, and